Alright, what is going on YouTube? So in today's video, we have got the iPhone SE. As you guys can see, I got mine in the 64GB version in the Starlight color. So today I'm actually filming a day in the life with the Apple Watch SE. I'm heading over to a hockey game, the Oilers versus the Vegas Golden Knights, and I wanted to do a little tech review. I want some new tech in the studio, and I was like, hey, why not pick up the iPhone SE? So without any further ado, we are going to be unboxing it and checking out what's inside the box. So we have the Apple usual pull tabs right back here. Beautiful. And another one. Beautiful. Just gonna set those aside, just like so. And there you go, the Apple Watch S, or I should say the Apple iPhone SE. Now, that is interesting. There's a little scuff straight out of the box. I'm not sure if that's the plastic or if that's the iPhone itself, but man, this is one beautiful color. I mean, without touching it, you could literally see the gold contour around it right over here, which is pretty interesting. So we're just going to lift that up, set that aside. What else is inside the box? Designed by Apple in California. Obviously, we have our SIM ejector. Do we have Apple stickers? Yes, we do. Beautiful. I will be needing that SIM card ejector tool because I'll be taking my SIM card from the 15 Pro and putting it inside the Apple Watch SE. And obviously, since this is not a 2023 iPhone, we are back with the lightning cable. How gross, man. It is lightning, but hey, it's all good. It's normal. It's a 2022 iPhone. So we're just going to set that all aside just as so. There you go. I'm interested in seeing how much juice is inside the iPhone itself. But let's go. Beautiful. Now, as you guys can see, the scuff was on the plastic itself and on the iPhone, thankfully. And yeah, as you guys can see, it does have like kind of a gold tint. And then when you turn it around, it's like kind of silver. Very interesting. So we do have the 12 megapixel rear camera. And then the front camera right over here. We are back with the ringer. Just as you guys can see. Is it just me or is the ringer kind of crooked? I don't know. And then we have our volume rockers, up, down, and then the one up here, power button, and then our SIM card ejector or SIM card slot. So we're just gonna power that up using the power side button. You guys can see my reflection right in there. And there you go. Beautiful. So there it is. We're gonna press home to open, and immediately straight out of the box I can already feel the 60 hertz display. Unfortunately, it does not have ProMotion technology, and oh my goodness, can I ever feel it. But we're just gonna run through the setup process right over here. Try to go through it as quickly as I can. There you go, just connected to the Wi-Fi. And man, it just feels so weird having a small 4.7-inch iPhone in my hands. I'm used to the 6.1-inch or the 6.7-inch iPhones. But here I am with, you know, an iPhone that I can literally grab with just 2 fingers. So hey, it is an iPhone that is able to run iOS 17. It just came out last year. It is the SE, which stands for Special Edition. So it is a budget iPhone, and it does have everything you'd want from it. It has the A15 Bionic chip. Obviously, it does not have the A17 or the A17 Pros, just as we have in the iPhone 15s and the iPhone 15 Pros. But nonetheless, I mean, it is a great piece of hardware, a great piece of software. We're just gonna run through that. Wow, Touch ID. I could feel the haptics. I'm so not used to using Touch ID. And wow, does it ever feel, you know, it's bringing back memories. It's bringing back memories to the old iPhone days. So we're just going to create a passcode. There you go. And you know what? Just for the sake of the video, we are not going to transfer apps and data. We're just going to sign into our Apple ID, just like so. Beautiful. And there you go. We did get a code to our iPhone 15 Pro. If the video did stop, it's because of that. But it's all good. So now we are just activating the Apple ID. And yeah, iPhone SE. Do you guys miss the black boxes that Apple offered us? I mean, I don't. The white looks kind of clean, but maybe if they gave us black boxes too, it wouldn't be horrible. But yeah, here is another security question. Enter the password to your Mac. So I'm just gonna enter that to verify that it is me. It's just loading, connecting. But man, you could really see how small it is. I mean, it feels so weird just being able to use it so easily with like one hand. Can't wait to see how it is in a day-to-day life scenario today. Can't wait to charge up the battery and see how it holds up. And there you go. Beautiful. So we're just going to click continue. We're going to set cellular later in the settings. It wants us to set up my cards. So we're going to do this later. We're going to do that one later. And this one. Siri, no, we're good. Sure, and sure. There you go. Ew, does it ever feel weird to have a small screen? But yeah, guys, that is the Apple Watch SE. Let's just jump over into the settings. Gonna head over to General and Software Update. And there you go. iOS 17.1.1 is available to install. The iPhone is currently running iOS 16. I wonder what version, iOS 16.6, as you guys can see. So we are going to be updating it over to iOS 17.1.1. So we're just going to click download and install. Not now. So let me just put the pin right in there. Download and install iOS 17.1.1. Agree to the terms and conditions. Hopefully it doesn't take that long because we need to head over to the game very shortly. So that is the unboxing of the iPhone SE. I might have said Apple Watch SE throughout the video because I did also make a video on the Apple Watch SE. But here we have the iPhone SE. So if you guys enjoyed this little quick unboxing, make sure to smash that like button, share it around, subscribe with notifications on if you haven't already. We are going to be testing it out in our day later this evening, so make sure to go check out the video that is going to be linked right at the top right of your screen right now. And we're going to do a review, see if it's still worth it in 2023. So yeah, beautiful phone. Obviously is not the newest or the greatest, but for a starter, if you don't need the latest and the greatest tech, why not? Anyways, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thanks for stopping by.